So hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now that you saw we made this grey piece, now we're going to put this grey piece here, and now we're going to put that there, and then we turn it around, so then we can do that there. So now do you see? I'm sorry for getting a little strong. Sometimes it's hard to stick the pieces in. Now that you see we got that on, now we turn it around and put the other grey piece on. So don't worry if I'm disturbing you. Don't worry if I'm disturbing you, because I'm disturbing you. To make me not disturbing you, just subscribe and like. So now we saw we did that. You can look at it. Now we need this red piece, part 2, and then we're going to get this black piece and put it there. And then do it to the other side, make sure. Now that you see that, now that we did a great job, now we're going to put this piece here, and then you can look at that once I find the piece. And then I'm going to put this here and put that one there. Now that you look at that. Then we're going to put that there. Look at that. So then now we're gonna put these grey pieces . Now you can see that. So now we're gonna get this kind of piece that you can see and stick it on top of the grey piece. And then you get this piece, and then we're gonna put it just like that. And then we're gonna put that right there. And then now, next page. And then we get these pieces and put them here. Okay, so now someone is trying to find a piece, so we can start number 2. So now that I found one, so now you see I found this black piece. I need to find another one, and I don't know where it is. So now I'm trying to find it.